Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to say something directly from your phone into camera, so it will be played with the camera's speaker on IMOU Ranger2. To do it, click on the microphone button right here. It says that while using the full function, you should stay further away from the device to prevent creating echo. So I'm kinda close to the device. So I'm gonna move away and try doing that. Now I'm saying something to the camera. So the quality wasn't great because I was close and I was trying to be quiet, but it should work better if you are further away and talking louder. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.